Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can sign out from OneDrive on Windows 11. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. So basically guys, the first thing that you need to do guys is click on OneDrive icon right here in the right. And then here, as you can see guys, you're going to find the option to open folder, view online, recycle bin, and here you're going to find upgrade. Right here in the top, you're going to find help and settings. Go ahead and click on it. And then here you're going to find settings, unlock personal vault, send feedback, get help, upgrade, and here you're going to find pause sync in. So go ahead and click on settings, and then this will take you right here. Here you're going to find all of the sections. You're going to find sync and backup, account, notifications, and here you're going to find about. So basically guys, right now, go ahead and click on account. And then right here, as you can see guys, you're going to find your accounts. You can add an account if you want by clicking on add account right here. And then as you can see guys, here you can add your account. So right now I'm going to go back. So basically guys, if you want to sign out from this account, just go ahead and click on unlink this PC. And then as you can see guys, you're going to get this message right here. Unlink account on this PC. Your OneDrive files will stop syncing. Locally available files will remain on this device, while online-only files will be removed. So if you are sure about removing this account, go ahead and click on Unlink Account, and then you're good to go. If you go here to the sync and backup settings, here as you can see guys, if you click on Manage Backup, you can turn off syncing for all of your files. You can also turn it off for saving photos and videos from device and for saving screenshots you capture to OneDrive. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.